Hello everyone, welcome back to Initial Solution. In this tutorial, I will show you how to delete shortcuts on Facebook. So let's begin the video. I start by opening Facebook app on your device. Now go to the menu bar located at the top right. And here you will see the shortcuts. There will be people's, pages or groups in the list. Tap and hold on the shortcut you want to remove until a menu pops up. In the menu, tap on Remove from Shortcut bar. It will remove it from the bar. Removing a shortcut doesn't delete the picture. It just hides it from the shortcut bar. So that's it. I hope this video helped you out. If you found this tutorial helpful, give us a like and subscribe to our channel for more interesting videos. This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.